Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the 23rd Original Math Wizard para dun sa mga Lodi Geeks natin na quizzers ng electrical engineers. So yung problem natin is ito. Pero before natin pala sagutan to, shoutout sa mga quizzers ng Colegio de San Gabriel Arcangel. Sila Dan Barona, Erwin Mendoza, Nico Octavio, Colin Bautista, Rachel Cuadera, Andre Sarad, and Jerry Gahudo. And maraming salamat sa inyo mga Lodi Geeks sa patuloy na suporta sa channel ko. I hope you all the best, future engineers, and God bless you always. So if October 18, 2024 is a Friday, so what day of the week is October 18, 2071? So first and foremost, kailangan muna natin i-discuss na meron tayong tinatawag na leap year. So ano po ba yung leap year, Sir IJ? So kapag leap year kasi mga Lodi Geeks, okay, that is correct. So nagiging 366 yung days natin. Okay? So tandaan natin, leap year kapag nagdadagdag tayo ng isa kasi usually 365. So 366 days yan. Nagkakaroon tayo ng February 29. Tapos, ano ba Sir IJ ang concept ng leap year? Tuwing kailan ito nagkaka-leap year? So, this happens every 4 years. Okay? And also, kapag naman divisible by 100, dapat every 400 years. Sir IJ, ano po yung ibig sabihin ng dalawang yan? Magulo po. So normally, every 4 years, lahat ng divisible by 4 are considered leap years. However, kapag nagkaroon tayo ng in terms of multiple na ng 100, like 2100, hindi na siya divisible. Actually, divisible pa rin siya by 4, but it is not divisible by 400. So kapag hindi na kasi divisible by 400, yung multiple ng 100, that means na hindi na siya leap year. So, ibig sabihin pala, Sir IJ, yung 1900, hindi siya leap year. That is correct. 2000 is a leap year because 2000 is divisible by 400. Ganun po ibig sabihin nun, guys, ha? Okay. So, anong first step dito, Sir IJ? Alam naman natin that 2024 is a leap year. So, the first thing that we have to do is to find the difference of the number of years between 2071 and 2024. So, alam natin that 2071 minus 2024, mga Lodi Cakes, this is equivalent to, okay, that is correct, 47 years. Okay. However, meron tayong mga leap years na dinaanan. So, ano yung mga leap years na yun, Sir IJ? So, simula 2028, 2032, hanggang sa dumating ka sa 2068, in which every 4 years here will count as, okay, that is correct. That is divisible by 4 mga Lodi Cakes, and this is an arithmetic sequence. So how do we find po by number of terms ng isang arithmetic sequence? So the number of terms can be readily identified or computed as a sub n minus a sub 1 all over, mga Lodi Cakes, saan natin ito i-divide? All over d plus 1. Kasi nga may formula tayo na a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, d. So, ito na yung parang in terms of n. So, ano ba yung last term natin? O kaya pwede mo nga itong manu-manuin eh. Since kaya mo naman hindi naman siya ganun kalayo. 2068 minus 2028 divided by 4. Ang common difference ay 4 kasi divisible by 4 plus 1. So, this is 2068 minus 2028. It's 40 divided by 4. Okay, that is 10 plus 1, that is 11. So, ibig sabihin pala, 47 years plus 11, idadagdag natin siya. Kasi nga, meron tayong plus 1. So, 47 plus 11 is equal to 58. So, parang we're just counting 58 days from Friday. We recall that there are 7 days in a week. So, ano na po yung next step dyan, Sir IJ? So, meron tayong 58 days from Friday, simula Friday. So, 58 divided by 7, this is equivalent to 8 remainder 2. And this remainder will be added to Friday to obtain the day of the week of October 18, 2071. So, Friday plus 2 days. So, the correct answer for this quiz show problem is Sunday. So, I hope klaro yun mga Lodi Cakes. And in terms of definition, sana naalala niyo yung definition ng leap year. And if ever may questions or clarifications, feel free to comment on the comment section. Basta ang sagot dito must be Sunday. You can check as well your calendars. In Google, makikita nyo Sunday po ang October 18, 2071. Thank you so much to everyone who keep on supporting our channel. I hope you all the best. Bye-bye and God bless.